We will guide you on how to use LG Pra.L Skin Booster. The LG Pra.L Skin Booster consists of a main unit, a Type-C USB cable for charging, and an instruction manual. You can use the power button to turn the power on and off, or to change the level and mode. Press and hold for at least 1.5 seconds to turn it on, and press and hold for at least 2.5 seconds when turning it off. When changing levels and modes, please press the power button briefly. You can check the level and mode with the blooming lighting next to the power button. When open the head protection cap, there is a boosting head. The head protection cap is made of a detachable magnetic type, so please keep it away from the magnetic product when using it. On the underside of the main unit, there's a battery status indicator and a charging port. After using the product, close the lid of the charging port completely. Let's take a look at how to take care of your skin. Cleanse your face thoroughly before starting the care. Then, apply enough cosmetics to each area you want to care for. At this time, you can use cosmetics that you have already used or cosmetics that suit your skin. When applying cosmetics, do not apply them all at once, but apply enough to each area you want to care for. If insufficient cosmetics are applied, skin irritation such as tingling may be felt. Open the head protection cap. Press and hold the power button for more than 1.5 seconds to turn on the product. When used for the first time, it operates at level 1 of boosting mode, and after that, it automatically starts at the level used previously. Skin Booster supports 3 modes. First, the boosting mode is a function that promotes the effective ingredients of cosmetics to be absorbed well into the skin, and both the sonophoresis head in the center of the boosting head and the electroporation head on the edge operate. It is recommended to use the boosting mode once a day. Turbo mode is a mode that can be used when you need intensive care. The electroporation head at the edge of the head functions alone. Turbo mode is recommended 2 to 3 times a week. Repair mode is a low irritation mode of care. It is helpful for caring for sensitive skin or skin texture, and the sonophoresis head functions alone. Repair mode is recommended once a day. Short press the power button to select the boosting intensity and level that suits you. Boosting mode lasts for 3 minutes and is divided into 6 levels. The intensity increases from level 1 to level 6 and can be confirmed through blooming lighting. After level 6, short press the power button once more to enter turbo mode. Turbo mode lasts for 5 minutes and the blooming lighting blinks rapidly. In turbo mode, short press the power button once more to enter repair mode. Repair mode lasts for 3 minutes and the blooming lighting blinks slowly. Hold the device naturally, placing the blooming head on the desired area, and slowly move it to care for it. For localized areas such as the eye area and nose, it is convenient to use the sharp part of the head. When caring for sensitive areas such as the eyes and mouth area, it is recommended to use a low level. When care is complete, the product will automatically turn off. After that, close the head protection cap and store it in a well-ventilated place. We will tell you how to check the status of the battery and charge it. There's a battery status indicator at the bottom of the product. When the indicator light is green, the battery has more than 50% charge. If the indicator light is yellow, the battery level is between 20% and 50%, and if it is red, the battery level is below 20% and needs to be charged. If the battery status indicator is blinking, the battery level is very low, so please charge it. The battery status indicator stays red while charging and turns green when charging is complete. To charge the battery, connect the charging USB cable to the charging adapter. Connect the charging adapter to a power outlet. Open the charging port cover on the bottom of the product and connect the charging USB cable to the charging port. Charging begins and the battery indicator changes depending on the battery status. The product does not operate while charging. Charge the battery sufficiently before using the product.